Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. Hopefully you can see that. It's 12:15 on a Saturday. I'm listening to the shortwave bands and this comes on.
Conversation seems simple, but as you listen, the voice fades in and out of static, you realize this is where you were meant to be. We will take a journey.
So it's a little faint, and it is definitely far, far away. But that, my friends, was an episode of the Midnight Cafe. What's interesting about that is that of the 14 stations that carry the Midnight Network and the Midnight Cafe, none are on shortwave that I'm aware of, which means that somebody is rebroadcasting the Midnight Cafe in some country. Before I turn this on, I've been playing around and I was listening to another show on this very faint station that was also awesome. And when it ended, they played like 2 or 3 random songs. And then I was like, wait, is that? And so thankfully I had my cell phone nearby, so I hit record. It is playing, whoever it is, on 6,000 megahertz there. Thank you. You know, all of you are welcome to rebroadcast the Midnight Cafe. And of course, a lot of the radio episodes never make it to YouTube, but that's just awesome. I don't know. I was just excited. And I may or may not ever get around to posting it, but check it out. Probably somewhere overseas right now. The Midnight Cafe is playing. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.